In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can cloud stream games here on the PlayStation portal. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you are going to need to have PlayStation Plus Premium in order to use this feature. This is a requirement. Start by opening up the quick menu from the top right corner. You could just swipe down from the top right or hit the PlayStation button over here. It really is up to you. And this is the quick menu just like so. And then from here, what you need to do is scroll down, and what you're looking for on here is going to be the cloud streaming settings on here. If you just scroll down a little bit, you'll see settings. Open that up, and then from here you'll see the cloud streaming settings just like so. Go ahead and select that. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. You can see me in the background. Look. Once you're on this page, you simply need to toggle the feature on. You'll get a warning to let you know it's going to return to the home screen. Just go ahead and confirm and you'll be good to go. It's not going to look something like this immediately for you since we actually already have this, but as soon as you do that, you just need to go back to the home menu, press the PlayStation button again, and then you'll see the cloud streaming option available in here where you just have to select that. And boom, just like that, you will now get a full catalog of games that you can, play instantly without having a PS5 at all. All you really need is a stable internet connection and an active PlayStation Plus Premium subscription, and that is it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.